So perimeter of parallelogram. In this we will see the perimeter of a parallelogram. Okay. In the previous class we have seen the area of parallelograms. Now in this perimeter of the parallelogram. So perimeter is what? Perimeter is if total distance covered covered on the boundary line followed by point A to point D, that is A to B plus B to C plus C to D plus D to A. Okay, so AB is what hamara, this is A1, this is also be A1, this is A2, so this will also be A2. So this is A1 plus A2 plus A1 plus A2. So we have 2 A1 plus A2. So perimeter of parallelogram is perimeter of a parallelogram is 2 into A1 into A2. Okay, parallelogram is perimeter of a parallelogram will be what? 2 into, so perimeter of parallelogram will be 2 into A1 plus A2, where A1 and A2 are sides of parallelogram. So where A1 and A2 is the side of a parallelogram. Okay, A1 and A2 are the sides of a parallelogram. Now we will see about the diagonals of a parallelogram. Okay, so now diagonals of parallelogram. No, diagonals of a parallelogram. So we'll make the figure of a parallelogram. Just to make a figure of parallelogram, this is our parallel lines, and this is just lines. Okay, A, B, C, and D, and these are the diagonals. Okay, these are the diagonals. So just to see, we'll mark a diagonal AC as a D1 and BD as a D2, and it's cut at a point O. Okay, so in the previous class I've told about the diagonal bisect at point O. So bisects at a point O, that means OA is equals to OC and OD is equals to OB. This means it bisects as a point O, and AC does not equals to BD, will does not equals to BD. Okay, so this is हमारा diagonals का parallelogram. Okay, so now what do we know? ABC ABCD is a quadrilateral, or it is a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram where where AB parallel to AB will be parallel to DC and BC will parallel to AD. Okay, so diagonal bisect at each other diagonal bisects at each other at E. Diagonal bisects at each other at E. So from so from quadrilateral, what we have from the quadrilateral, AB का square plus BC का square plus CD का स्क्वायर प्लस DA का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू AC का स्क्वायर प्लस BD का स्क्वायर। दैट मीन्स हमारा क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, इसमें क्या होगा, साइड्स, ऑल दी साइड्स का स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ their diagonals. I mean sum of square of their sides is equals to sum of square of their diagonals. Okay, so now what we can see, these both are parallel, AB and DC will be parallel. So we can just write down this will be parallel. Okay, so just what we can do, we can just mark it as a A1 and A2. So just it A1, so it will also be A1, and this is A2, so this will also be A2. Now we can see A1 and A1, so AB and DC will be equal. Okay, so AB, so what? So AB is equals to DC and DA is equals to BC. Okay, so now just put it over here, AB DA. So put it AB just CD. Okay, AB की जगह हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे, DC, और AB का स्क्वायर प्लस AB का स्क्वायर प्लस BC की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे, DA का स्क्वायर प्लस CD CD की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे, AB का स्क्वायर प्लस DA का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू AC का स्क्वायर प्लस BD का स्क्वायर। नाउ 1AB तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा 2AB का स्क्वायर प्लस this DA square and this DA square, that will be 2 DA का square is equals to हमारा AC का square plus BD का square. Okay, ये हमारे पास आ गया है। Now what we can do, just take it as a 2 as a common, so AB का square plus DA का square is equals to AC का square plus BD का square. Now what we have seen over here, AC is हमारा D1 and AD is हमारा D2 and DC ये हमारा क्या है, AA है, और DA हमारा क्या है, A2 है। So this will be हमारा A D1 का स्क्वायर प्लस D2 का स्क्वायर, और ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, A1 का स्क्वायर प्लस A2 का स्क्वायर। So we can see over here 2 into A1 का स्क्वायर प्लस A2 का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू D1 का स्क्वायर प्लस D2 का स्क्वायर। So this is हमारा diagonal, okay, diagonal of a parallelogram. So in this chapter we have finished about the area, perimeter and diagonals of a parallelogram and the key points of a parallelogram. So in the next chapter we'll see about the trapezium. So all of you till then, bye, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.